Let's fucking go. Pachamari squad. Oh man, the insta-lock of the years.
Hello?
Hello there. Is Mario gonna play a tank? Oh my god, they've most played Tracer. Wait, Tracer, McCree, Widow, Genji.
Yeah. Smurf?
Yeah. And they've this comp season they've done 13,000 damage max, 45 mediums. So they've had some nice good games. They're level 26, so they probably are Smurf. And they play McCree. Okay.
No dying on my
I wonder, does the immortality field actually count if, for example, you know how Junkrat could kill himself before? If you have like 5 Pharaohs and they all try to kill
Yes,
themselves.
because when you kill yourself by the car, that's technically a suicide.
But is it just
And that still counts as a death
prevented?
prevented, doesn't it? Well, it counts as death, like damage prevented. I don't know about death prevented.
I don't know.
I know it talks about damage, like negated or whatever. Because when you get hit by the cars, doesn't it? That kind of says like 1,000,000 or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, some insane cards. Actually, I'm gonna do that at one point. Next time we go into quick play, just like, yeah, farm it out. Let's get this.
wow,
Oh, that's
okay,
not good.
that.
Where's that?
What? That was fast!
That was a widow long shot. Just like jumping.
Wow!
Okay, get the hog, get the
Hey,
hog.
you
Get
got
the hog.
fucked.
Oh, I'm dead. Please heal, please heal, please heal.
Gimmick me?
Oh god, I forgot. I cannot jump.
Over the position.
Oh wait.
You can tank it. I'll help you. We're just about to. Okay, it's out.
Dead.
Hog. Free to jump. Like a fucking bunny rabbit. I like immortality. It's such a no you.
Widow top left.
I have immortality again. Fog's enough, right? Yo, look, peek.
Yeah, about that.
I don't think so.
Ah, rip. No immortality field deaths prevented. What the fuck you on, mate?
Why'd you
Save
care about
that
the
hog.
Why'd you care about the stats, Emma?
Like,
If it has an impact, you shouldn't need an artificial value.
it's not artificial. It's just numerical representation of my performance.
No one can hide from my sight.
They've got walls over. They should not be jumping. Hey, we've got Yeetle.
Oh, Widow, I just set you up so hard. That was sick.
Their Widow's dead. Good point. Let's go and melt that shield.
Oh dear, I messed it up, okay.
I can pop immortality and you feel low. You can do that, of course.
I want to melt. I should have protected that.
You are a melt. Eh.
That's rude.
I don't even know what it actually properly means. It just means that
Fucking-
idiot or something.
Just, yeah, pretty much.
Ah,
Oh,
okay.
you melt. Normally when you've done something stupid.
Still no immortality field deaths prevented. Come on, game.
It's because people stop firing.
No, I mean like that hog. He was 1 HP.
Yeah, but if it doesn't go past 0.
Yeah. Disappointing. Oh well. I'm dead.
Yeah,
Hog on the
that's
flank.
it. Baptise.
Yeah, I'm dead. Say again, mate. I'm dead.
Where's the one?
What the fuck?
Go try and throw immortality onto the cart. Yeet!
Get in here.
Oh, mate, that was nice. Did that actually land? I have no idea. Oh, it did. Sweet.
Got you good at you.
I got Moira. Just Widow's kind of countering it.
Why am I gold damage?
Why am I silver down?
That could have gone better.
It's high noon.
Get in here. Regen up.
Just come out there to steal that kill. Fuck yeah.
You're fully healed.
He's putting pushback.
Oh shit, that's their spawn, isn't it now?
Get fun.
Mate, we both shot him. He got deleted.
We shouldn't be fighting there.
Bit of a waste of immortality right there, but oh well. I'm on the wrong side. Live!
Team up for special attack.
Let them out.
Knock that shield hard.
Fucking heal.
Hog, you can't touch once they're in spawn. Careful, mate. We just... Okay, Orisa Baptise. Oh, holy shit. It's a lot. It's like 250%.
Fully healed.
Behind us, Tracer.
Yep.
Oh my god, you mental fucker. He pulled the ultimate hog.
I got the hog, but I'm dead. Tracer behind you, Moira.
We get him a McCree instead of Widow, maybe? For the
Yes.
Tracer.
No one can hide from my
Only say yourself.
sight.
Get in here.
That Tracer's dick on us so hard. Wow.
Sega McCree, he goes tall.
It might work. There's a hog behind us. Tracer killed me. Can you like fuck up that Tracer? Because we have a McCree now.
I just killed Tracer.
They buffed her.
Not over yet.
Is she just like being released? Like she hasn't got as much pressure anymore. Or have they actually done some changes? I don't know.
Who?
Tracer.
No, in this, she's the same.
Ah damn. Shows how
Where
much
do we
changes
know?
around.
Widow.
Tracer.
Oh! Holy shit! Oh my god, I only just lived. I'm not gonna lie. That was last second. Tracer's still behind us. With no turret, Tracer kill it. Tracer's on our flank still. Nice.
No one can hide from my sight.
McCree behind, McCree behind. McCree dead.
Well,
Team up
Widow
for
right
special
side.
attack.
Widow right side.
I'm gonna save my ult for a couple seconds.
Fully healed. Let them out.
That's why I saved my ult for a few seconds. So they do that. I've got exactly 1337.
Score 0-2. Switching sides.
They're on our team or not? I don't know. Jinx.
No.
Oh.
No.
Select your hero.
Just take less damage. Nice. Nice.
It's true.
Who are they playing? Oh,
Widow.
they're playing Roadhog.
They were playing Widow. No, they were playing Widow.
Press P. Recent players.
Yeah, they were, weren't they? What? Sorry, they were playing Widow.
On my watch.
I'm messing with your head.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I can't wait to get on sunrise. Which one first?
You get more. That's why you can survive a Diva Bomb from point blank. Is you got the 600 plus the 50% damage reduction, which brings up to 900 plus. So then you should end up with minus 100 HP, but
That's true.
you got the heals, so you end up being with about 300 HP. You take it to the face. They got Bastion, sweet. Oh, I got sucked. I'm reloading, mate. Fuck.
They don't have mercy, so they're not going to be able to res it. What? What kind of play is that?
My ultimate ability charged.
Yeah, Hog just ulted in it. Weird. How are we still in this fight?
Oh, we? What do you mean we
Oh,
demolished?
fighter's bashing behind me. Oh, scary.
Oh god, I'm so low through your ult. They have
Nice.
a Reaper now.
Reaper lower, coming on right side. Half, he's half, he's half.
Oh,
he's half.
lag, hello.
People behind.
Yeah. He's running away to Mega.
Dude,
Get ultimate.
Just play around
I'm
corners.
just gonna melt the shield without getting shot by Bastion. Easy.
Mario, what are you doing?
right side behind. Tracer and Reaper.
Reaper on
Reaper
point.
on us. Trace on me, trace on me.
Tracer hack here, Tracer hack here. Dead.
That's Trace dead.
IBMP.
I'm 51%
3,
point.
2,
Hog right.
1.
Reaper behind, Reaper.
Walk into them. We win. Hog line. Kill him. Nice.
He needs his ult as well.
Reaper point. He's running away.
Got a Reaper behind.
Trace on top of the turret. She's gone towards the mini. I'm 88%. 88% to my ult. Bastion high ground.
Someone on top. Tracer.
I don't have anything to counter that. Other than just killing him. Reaper me.
I got you, I
Nice,
got you.
good. Live, you fuck!
To be honest, I just popped off massively.
Hog on right side here.
I think I heard Tracer behind us. Oh no, it might be our Tracer, never mind.
Hog here. I am dead.
They've got Widow on high ground. I can't jump anymore.
Hog, you ready?
Hog's not ready.
And they shielded. They took the Bastion.
Looking. Ulti.
Right.
Rissa is hacked.
Melt shield. Nice.
Zoom first.
Do it if you can. Okay, now
Reloading,
does that-
reloading.
I'm from behind him. EMP them. 8. Is it
Team one.
Yeah, go for it, go.
Team up for special attack.
Almost got my ult again.
Light them up.
Nice.
It popped off.
I popped off towards the second half of that. Did you like the heals?
33k damage. 11k damage.
5.8.
33k damage. 33k damage block, sorry.
5.8k damage with 14.7 healing.
Look at you. Oh no, it wasn't the bit. Oh.
Oh no, that was this bit. I thought I'd get played the game from this. Like, look at that. That was fucking insane, that. I'm not gonna lie.
It's a good combo because it really does so much damage.
I got okay, I only got 9 assists for that. Well, I got 8 ults in that. That's not bad at all, is it?
Yeah, 9's good.
Fucking pog.
I got 33k damage blocked, 11k hero damage. 39 limbs.
Good 23 limbs, not bad.
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh no, really? On a high like that?
God.
Come on.
No, I've only left. So I'll be on tomorrow all day pretty much.
I'm at
Well,
work
no,
tomorrow.
it's I say that to a degree now. One.
I'm working
So-
Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
Oh fuck that.
I'll be in on the evening. Like late evening, but yeah.
So
See ya.
Light them up. Hot and healed in this Get inside. Felt good when I woke up.